Assalamualaikum. My name is Putri and I'm Syezwynn Syezwynn. My ID number is SIT2407-0293. Hi everyone, today I want to show you a simple app called CSMS. It stands for Community Service Management System. This app helps people in apartment and gated neighborhood submit a complaint easily. Instead of calling or writing letter, you just use this app. For example, if the parking lights are broken at night, you can report it in just a few clicks. No more waiting or guessing if someone received your complaint. The best part, this app was built using job form, completely free and no coding needed. Today, I will show you how it works for both sides of resident side and admin side. Let's go! Now, let me show you what you see when you first open the apps. The homepage is very clean and simple. It has 3 main buttons: Home, Submit, and Status. Now, let me show you step by step how to use this app, starting with submitting a complaint. Okay, so the first thing a resident needs to do is submit a report. They click a Submit Report button. This takes them to sign in page. Here, they need to provide their details, email, and number IC. Then come a very important question. Are you a resident? This is a key feature of these apps. Why? Because the admin need to know who is actually living in the community and who is not. If you are a resident, you select yes and enter your unit number like R016. If you are not a resident, maybe you are a visitor, a tenant, a delivery person, or a shop owner. You select no and type 0000 as your unit number. Why does this matter? Because the system treats resident and non-resident differently. Resident complaints are verified and often get high priority, and non-resident complaints can still be submitted, but the apps clearly warn invalid or unverified information may be treated as a non-resident submission. This helps prevent fake or spam complaints and keep everything fair and organized. After filling in everything, the user clicks sign in or save the process. After sign in, the user reaches the complaint report form. This is where they actually file their complaint. First, they need to enter their personal information again to confirm their identity. For example, number IC, full name, Gmail, and number phone. The apps remind user, please ensure that your IC number and Gmail are correct. Invalid or unverified information may be treated as a non-resident submission, so it's very important to fill in correct detail. Then, the user select a complaint category from the drop-down list. For the demo, let's say we choose safety and security. Then, the user write the complaint detail. This is where they explain the problem clearly. The user can also upload file like a photo or video as evidence. This helps the admin understand the problem better. After filling everything, the user click Done or Submit to send this complaint. After submitting the report, a confirmation message appears. It says, "Thank you, the submission has been received." It also reminds the user, please check your complaint after 7 working days. This 7 working period gives the admin team enough time to review the complaint, investigate the issue, and take appropriate action. It's a reasonable time frame for most community issues. Now, how does the resident check the complaint status? They go back to the home page and click the status or check complaint status button. Then they enter their IC number. The system will search its database and display a list of all their previous current complaints. For each complaint, the resident can see what ID, the date it was submitted, the status, pending under review, in progress or resolved, and any admin comment, for example, action has been taken. Everything is displayed in a simple, easy-to-read format. The resident can see all their complaints in one place, so they don't have to remember multiple report numbers. This transparency is one of the best features of CSMS. Residents always know what happened with their complaint. Now, let's switch over and look at the admin side of the system. This is where the management staff handle all the complaints. Where the admin log in, they see the dashboard with several tabs. Home, Submit, Admin, Report, Status, and Feedback. The main tab of Managing Complaint is Report. Here, the admin can see a list of all complaints submitted by a resident. The list shows the report ID, resident name, and brief description. The admin can scroll through the list and quickly identify which complaint needs urgent attention. When the admin clicks on a specific report, they can view all details provided by the resident. The full complaint description, location, category, and any upload file. Then the admin opens the update form to manage the complaint. Here they can change the status. They can select from pending, under review, in progress, and resolved. At an admin comment, they can write a note like action has been taken. Next, update the date. Record when the update was made. After clicking save or submit, the updated status and comment are immediately visible to the resident when they check their complaint status. This two-way communication makes the system effective and transparent. Residents feel here and admin can track everything in one organized place. After the complaint has been resolved, residents have another important feature. They can share their feedback through the app's review section. This is where residents can rate their experience and help improve the service. This review form asks for IC number, rate service, review comment, and date. Our database is divided into 4 main sections: user sign-in, complaint report, data update, and app feedback. The user sign-in section stores user account information and keeps track of login activity and ensures security access to the system. The complaint report section contains all complaints submitted by user, including important details such as a complaint description, date, and time of submitting. The data update section helps monitor the progress of each complaint. It records status change, whether a complaint is pending, in progress, resolved, so everyone can stay updated. The app feedback section gathers user rating, review, and suggestion. This allows the organization to understand user experience and continuous improvement the application. So, let me summarize everything we have learned today about CSMS apps. For residents, you can sign in easily using your email and IC number. You can submit complaint by filling in a simple form with a category and detail. You can confirmation and a report ID. You can check status anytime using your IC number. Last, you can leave feedback after your issue is resolved. For admin, you can view all complaints in one organized list. Second, you can update status and add comment. Next, you can track progress and response time. You can view feedback and improve service quality. The best things about these apps is fast, transparent, organized, fair, user-friendly, and free. This is a great example of how technology can make neighborhood living smooth and more friendly to everyone. It builds trust between resident and management. It solves problems faster, and it makes the community a better place to live. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.